This is all for them, 100% on Facebook. Spin.
I've volunteered all over this country.
California Paws Rescue in Palm Desert, Florida Keys, SPCA, Cats Meow in Washington State.
Very unique fundraising events.
Hustling these kids.
This is the greatest adoption tool ever created. I've crashed and burned so many times. This is a very simple, structured, and efficient, scalable plan. Let's expand the network of each rescue to give the animals the best chance at their forever home by building the most efficient network pipeline possible. Follow along at All For Them 100 Facebook, and let's do some real good through social media for these kids.
I have my resume. It's all the kids I've worked with different personalities and different traits and different things that I've learned with them, and trainers that I've trained with. You've got Jason over here that would nip at me.
Nothing in the tank.
And then Donnie, oh man, that guy, he was scared when he first got here. He would bite at my broom handle when I would be mopping, so I just kept at it little by little and just kind of pushed a little more, a little more. You got Wilma, she was really dog aggressive, but very sweet to people. It was just inside of her that she had to kind of go after other pit bull terriers. Well, any dogs really, especially of a larger size, but what's his name? What's his name?
We've got Marshall.
What's his name? What's his name? And then you got Rocky. That kid would be really aggressive when you go into the kennel. By the time you got into it,
I asked his
he was a
permission
sweetheart.
first.
He was very timid. He was very shy. But then it took a lot of time for him to warm up, to become friends with me. I worked a lot with cats too. I'm actually more of a cat person than a dog person as far as relatability, and have them be so relatable to the camera. I also wanted to show their personality. And of course you got the smalls.
to each other,
Now
huh?
these guys, they are just more timid than
put the
anything.
baby.
That's their main thing.
Put the
They're not
baby.
dog aggressive for the
I know
most
she
part.
know, 'cause she's
Some of them
princess.
are, and you always got to be
Compared to
careful.
girls, she's
It's really
a good
like
girl.
building up that trust in a
She's
very
sweet as
soft
birds, huh?
way. And that's
Oh, I
what the
never
big
got
dogs
pictures
do.
of
But so what rescues want to work with me? Goldendale in the spring, Pendleton now, Baker City next, Boise, I forgot, Salt Lake City, Cedar City, St. George, Las Vegas. That's the rescue pipeline. Snap it. And the reason that I chose a specific streamline route along 84 and 15 down to Vegas is it's something that the van can handle as far as smooth roads, that I got within 100 miles roughly to where someone in one network would be able to connect with the network above and below to find that forever home. That forever home might get missed because the right animal for them might be the network above or below that network in the middle. That's more chance statistically that they are going to get their forever home. I can head down south and stay active while I work my way back up north by next spring. Part of my reason for this route is down in southern Nevada, I want to buy distribution land. I want to store organic food and different food from regions around the country as a nonprofit, low-cost benefit to adoptive families, because I truly believe the stronger the parent is, the better the kid's going to be and have that forever home. And also in southern Nevada is Area 51, which is highly marketable, especially right now. I will also build a travel center that will complement the surrounding alien-themed businesses. But here I want to make a strong effort to show who I am and what I'm capable of and what I can do. This is all advertisement, all fundraising, 24/7, independent power. I can be ready to transport multiple full-size animals within 10 minutes, all while fundraising and showing who they are, and even going live in the van to show which animals are available here and where they're going if they'd like to talk to me about them live on the route. This is a very young, well-built van that has a lot of years ahead of it. So all that I'm asking on this maiden pipeline voyage is to just notice this, follow it, get some contact information so that when I come back up, that I can show you more of my resume and show you more of what I've done to improve and upgrade. This is all scalable from the route to the van, to its transport capabilities. I've been at this for years. All I want to do is help animals. It's a spiritual thing for me, and I feel that it's a duty of mine to help them get realized. I do believe in spay and neuter, and I do want the numbers to decrease so there's not a surplus of animals. It's just simple math. They should either be wild or a family member. I've done 9 years straight, Sturgis Motorcycle Rally or Bust, to use the power of roughly 500,000 people to fundraise. And this needs to be looked at from a purely business standpoint. Likes, shares, subscribes, comments, all that. It does push the algorithm and it gets it out to more exposure for more people to see. The more followers I get, the more enticing it is for collaborations. The more I can match other social media brand follower numbers, the more I can collaborate with them, the more I can do interviews with them. I can find out why they got into the game. It's worth their effort. I want to know what improvements they want in their rescues and shelters. I want to know what their wish lists are. I want to go fundraise your guys' wish list. I want to know what improvements they want in their rescues and shelters. What would make your lives easier as volunteers and coordinators and founders. And I want to stick around temporarily to fundraise for you and get those as goals. As far as I'm concerned, this is a lifelong commitment. I want to be building relationships for as long as possible and keep a good, strong network. The stronger the volunteers, the stronger the adoptive families. I contacted a very reputable group before and they told me, basically, you're just not big enough. They work with C&D celebrity stars. And I am completely broke. I spent over $120,000 getting to this point. I don't care about the money, but I need to keep going. This is all I care about. So I have no problem asking for money to keep going. I think it would be right to carry a bank account with the right rescue or shelter that would be overseeing all the donations. I built the 3 most baseline components to get my message out effectively: light, video projection, and sound. That panel drops down so that you can hear the surround sound coming out this way. So I'm ready to go, you guys. So let's connect to the network and build the pipeline. Thank you.